Here we go, the business end of 458. So, obviously engine, the gearbox, this whole frame comes down, this whole thing, all of this with the gearbox, rear suspension, this with the engine and gearbox all on it as well. But first I'm going to get rid of all this lot first. It's a lot of like little bits and pieces that you have to check for. Like, this will have to be addressed. It's having an engine rebuild anyway, so that'll be done at the same time. Missing clips. Again there. This will be fun getting this out. So the rear arches have got to come off to be repaired. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Got to repair some other threads in here because during the season we had to put nuts on the top of these brake ducts because the threads strip out. Air jacks, they'll have to be cleaned and serviced. Little crack in there. Okay, next thing, let's get all these off.